Where are you going? Where are you going? Ki kote ou brale? I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. Mwen prale nan marché. What are you going to buy? What are you going to buy? Ki sa ou pral achete? I'm going to buy tomatoes. I'm going to buy tomatoes. Mwen pral achete tomate. Where is your father? Where is your father? Kote papa ou? My father is at work. My father is at work. Papa mwen nan travay. Where is your mother? Where is your mother? Kote mama ou? My mother is at home. My mother is at home. Mama mwen la kay. Are you married? Are you married? Eske ou marié? Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married. Oui, mwen marié. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? Combien petit ou genyen? I have 4 children. I have 4 children. Mwen gen 4 petit. Do you have girls? Do you have girls? Eske ou gen fi? Yes, I have 2 girls and 2 boys. Yes, I have 2 girls and 2 boys. Oui, mwen gen 2 fi ak 2 garçons. How old are you? How old are you? Ki l'âge ou? I am 32 years old. I am 32 years old. Mwen gen 32 ans. How old is your wife? How old is your wife? Ki l'âge madame? My wife is 26 years old. My wife is 26 years old. Madame mwen gen 26 ans. Where do you live? Where do you live? Ki kote ou habite? I live in this town. I live in this town. Mwen habite nan vil sa. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Eske ou gran goût? No, I am not hungry. No, I am not hungry. Non, mwen pa gran goût. What have you eaten today? What have you eaten today? Ki so te manje jodi ya? I have eaten 3 apples. I have eaten 3 apples. Mwen te manje 3 pommes. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God? Eske ou kwe nan bon Dieu? Yes, I believe in God. Yes, I believe in God. Oui, mwen kwe nan bon Dieu. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Esko ka ran mwen yon service? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Combien ça coûte? It costs $200. It costs $200. Li coûte $200. Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Eske ou bezwen yon lot bagay? Yes, I need shoes. Yes, I need shoes. Oui, mwen bezwen soulier. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Kote téléphone mwen. Your phone is on the table. Your phone is on the table. Téléphone ou an sou table. Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? Pou ki sa ou tris? I lost my keys. I lost my keys. Mwen perdi kle mwen. Do you need help? Do you need help? Eske ou bezwen aide? I need some money. I need some money. Mwen bezwen l'argent. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Eske ou libre demain? Is your father at home? Is your father at home? Eske papa la kay la? Where did he go? Where did he go? Ki kote l te ale? He went to work. He went to work. Li te ale travay. When will he be back? When will he be back? Ki lè la pretoune? He will be back in 2 hours. He will be back in 2 hours. La pretoune nan 2 heures tan. What do you want? What do you want? Ki softly. I want something to eat. I want something to eat. Mwen vle manje yon bagay. What is your job? What is your job? Ki metye ou? I don't have a job. I don't have a job. Mwen pa gen yon travay.